Shiba Inu, the meme coin that once shook the crypto world. But where is it headed now? Will SHIB erase another zero by 2025 or vanish into obscurity? Stay locked in. This price prediction could save your portfolio or crush your SHIB dreams. Let's dive in. Right now, Shiba Inu is trading at 0.0001225, battling to hold its fragile support. For zeros still haunt its price and interest has plummeted. The SHIB army's hype, gone volume, stagnant. This coin isn't just stuck, it's fighting to survive. The charts reveal a brutal truth. SHIB is trapped in a long-term, downward trend, with critical support at 0.0010. Lose this, and SHIB risks adding a fifth zero, crashing to $0.0051, a 50% nosedive. But if it holds, a glimmer of hope remains. Let's talk 2025. If SHIB defends 0.0010 and breaks resistance at 0.0014, we could see a rally to 0.00042, a 3x surge. Optimistic? Yes, possible. Only if Bitcoin's bull run ignites meme coins and SHIB's developers deliver real utility. But here's the cold reality. SHIB's supply is 549 trillion tokens. Even a $1 billion market cap boost would only push it to 0.0018. For SHIB to hit 0.001 by 2025 it needs a $55 billion market cap, nearly Dogecoin's all-time high. Possible, maybe probable, unlikely without a viral catalyst. By 2027, SHIB's fate hinges on adoption. If it evolves beyond memes into DeFi, NFTs, or Web3, prices could stabilize at 0.0015. But if the project stalls, brace for 0.00030. A 75% drop ***. Remember, meme coins thrive on hype, and SHIB's hype is fading. New rivals like Bonk or Pepe are stealing its spotlight. Without innovation, SHIB risks becoming crypto history. So, will you hold SHIB hoping for a miracle, or cut losses now? Drop a comment. Are you Team Bull or Team Bear? Smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. The crypto market moves fast, and you don't want to miss our next prediction. Stay sharp, stay skeptical, and never invest blind. See you in the next video.